Welcome back to another episode of Joe's Junk. I'm your host, Junk. Today we're going to be taking a look at this. This here is my latest and greatest project, and I'm curious if you guys are going to like it or hate it.
Good buddy of mine, he's responsible for this. This is a 1998 Volvo S70. I've never owned a Volvo before. I've always kind of liked Volvo, but I've never owned one. There's a video coming out with him in the next little bit, and you haven't met him yet, but his name's Carter. I had a vehicle that he wanted, and he traded me this for it. So I'll explain exactly how much I have into this car in a minute. But this car, I don't think you could possibly beat. Of course, it's an S70 GLT. It is a Gacon lettuce tomato edition, and it has the turbocharged 2.4 liter. Of course, I'm not in the best filming location right now, but I feel like it's very fitting for this car. I feel like it just makes sense. As you can see, it has the gold chromatic package with the champagne on gold on green on clear coat and the electrical tape. And really, that's my repair, not his. And to be honest, I don't think you're going to find anything better on this channel, at least not for a long time. So I paid exactly $475 for this car. Let's go ahead and see how she sounds. So all of that is to say, how much power can we make out of this 430,000 kilometer Volvo? Well, oh boy, looks like we're about to find out. Oh, that's varnished gas. That's real varnished. Oh, God.
I'll give him a rundown.
Oh, yeah, okay, let's hear it.
This is my 1997 850 T5 sports wagon.
Sports wagon.
Yeah, it's got the 2.3 liter naturally aspirated twin turbo supercharged direct injection port injection sequential fuel injection motor.
Okay.
It was previously owned by an old lady, and it sat in a field. Or not a field, it kind of just like sat.
Well, how many billion years did it sit for?
Since 2018.
Since about 2018.
Old people approved. I won't give you the polishing number.
This is a retirement community on wheels. I absolutely love it.
The fuel is 7 years old, I will say that. So
the fuel's 7 years old.
It has a bit of an odor, and it has a bit of a physical shape. I'm sorry, Joe.
So for a car that's sat in a field for 7 years, take a listen to this thing.
Don't worry about the antifreeze. That was James who spilt it everywhere.
We're here at the Volvo headquarters. I've pretty much won the lottery here, and what we're going to do is see just how much power some basic upgrades can steal out of that 430,000 kilometer Volvo. So let's pull it into the tuning shop. Let's get this thing tuned. Let's get it dialed in.
East Coast Customs.
The first mods that anybody should do with these GLTs.
I wouldn't say anybody. I would say somebody that's looking to do it dirt cheap and easy.
Dirt cheap and easy is exactly what I'm trying to do.
Starting off, ECU. It's like the easiest thing on the planet to change, and these have what's called a Motronic 4.4 ECU system or engine management system, and not to be confused with the Motronic 4.3, because if you try to put a 4.4 ECU in a 4.3, which comes in any 850, everything will work, but your AC will die.
Your AC will die?
The AC will never work again.
Why?
Don't ask me. Ask Bush. You can't just drop the ECU and then power. You need to at least give it a little bit more fuel. And these ones I believe have orange injectors. It's really easy to tell. Yeah, those look about orange to me. Maybe a little reddy.
I'm gonna go alizarin crimson.
Yeah, that's probably more like it.
Yeah, something like that.
So you can either go with blue injectors, white injectors. Those ones you won't need a tune if you drop a T5 ECU. And if you want to go nuts, you can go with Green Giants, which are Bosch's. I think they're 395cc.
Holy mackerel.
And those came factory on the S60 and V70R cars. They are plug and play, but you will need to tune for them.
Okay, good to know. And God forbid you have to find a tuner.
No,
that wouldn't work on this.
Yeah, they might tune a couple, maybe like one or two of my Volvos. Not this one.
Not this.
They will not tune this
No. Okay. But you do have a T5 ECU. Now the funny thing is, you might assume this is a parts car for that. It's it's almost the opposite.
No, it is
not.
This one, no, they are nothing alike, Joe. That's a 97 T5.
Right.
This is a 95 turbo.
Oh, that's right. Big difference.
Right? That one is 412 blue-green metallic. This is 412 green-blue metallic, okay?
Oh my God.
Don't get it mixed.
Completely inverted. This car's got a really interesting story, actually. This car.
We should probably say that for another time.
Yeah, okay. That's a long one. That's a long one. But, it's nice and easy to change an ECU. That's your Wednesday pill right there. That's pretty good.
All right, now I just gotta find where my white injectors are. These are the orange injectors. These are the really old ones.
Those are
really noisy injectors.
noisy.
Oh, these things are loud.
Just like the 543 valve.
Yes. That's a performance part. That's a performance part.
All these modifications.
That's a performance part. I don't know what you can make out of that.
Wow.
And through the holy grail, I now pronounce you with white injectors.
Wow.
The stadiums are still good.
So,
Here's the performance part.
oh my goodness, these. Oh, I know what to do with these.
And there's the performance part.
The last one,
Yeah.
and this one goes right here. Look at that turbo encabulator. This thing looks so good. Oh, I can taste it.
No, that's just my hemorrhoid.
Sorry about the tripod.
Yeah, what the hell, dude? Who set that up in here?
Okay, now that we've depressurized it, it's time to repressurize it with that boss.
I got a couple more threads to go on this one.
Yeah,
I'm a Volvo, dude. I should have known better, man.
Yeah, you count the threads. You know them.
I gotta be very gentle and massage it out very nicely.
I'm gonna boost the audio 400%. Start with one. Ow. Ow.
See, you just gotta be really careful, man.
One in first is easiest usually. There you go.
Hey, and those came out
Those come out alright?
decent.
No, what a waste.
Definitely
That's
should
like
not
a
have that leaking on
$7
the engine.
value right there. Do you have more shop rigs? Yes, you do.
Of course I do.
And the Volvo colors. How'd you get these?
Oh my god.
Holy geyser, Jesus.
How is it coming out of this? Oh, it's the vent.
Look at that.
Wow, it's hot. Yeah.
Okay, guys. This is no varnish right here. This is all good stuff. Is it the same rail?
Yeah.
Yeah? Because I'll just give you this whole rail free.
It is a different rail.
Yeah, I see that now.
Yeah.
Oh, no. Oh, that one's already loose. That one's finger tight. So we're going to crack all these loose. All three of them. And that should release these. Right? And then we can just pull these right out. Okay, I'll let the pro remove these. We got our Volvo-sized wrench. And then comes... Now how... Oh, we got five of these things.
No, it's always an even number, man.
Every single time.
I've never... Dude, V5s don't exist, okay?
No. Now how... Why... Okay.
That's your fresh air feed.
For the ECM. Now...
Which also feeds
The...
cabin.
Oh! The cabin timing belt. That's cool.
Yeah. When was the last time you did your timing belt? Hey,
Every
people,
100,000.
check it. Check your cabin timing belt.
There she goes.
Okay.
Okay.
Now,
Can't lose our timing belt record.
no, that's...
we
This is such an easy timing belt.
This is the easiest timing belt I've ever even seen. And now we don't have to disconnect the battery or anything.
No.
Okay. So,
That's actually in really good shape.
if it's not working, just blow in it.
Yeah, pretty much, man.
Yeah.
Check that out.
What?
How clean all the pins are. See, Volvo P3 owners would never be able to relate to this.
What P3 owners?
Yeah, that's
P3 owner?
V50, S40, C30.
Oh.
What happens is the sunroof drains get clogged and then they piss out all of the disgusting water straight onto what's called the central electronics module.
Oh, that's smart. That's
so smart.
That's a Ford IWE moment right
I
there.
just realized I grabbed the transmission.
Oh, yeah. Okay, I was wondering why you're taking the middle one out.
All right, now, easiest ECU installation probably ever.
And you can just replace the ECUs on these cars, which is crazy to me. I remember asking, I was like shocked that you could just do it without having
man.
to reprogram anything.
No, listen, this is not a CAN bus VIN-coded headrest vehicle.
This is something else. So at this point, we've replaced the Volvo stock ECU with the T5 ECU. This is obviously not a T5 car. It's going to allow for just a little bit more power. And of course, with the white injectors flowing at a higher rate, it's definitely going to be noticeable. So I'm really excited to see how it goes. You may be wondering what we were doing replacing the ECU, and that's your answer. It just controls the engine a little bit differently. Of course, you know, it allows it to generate a little more boost, let's say.
You didn't put that clip back in.
Oh yeah. Okay. Well, never mind. Let's hop to that in a second.
So the T5 ECU is in. The white injectors are in. We did not forget anything upon installation. Never had to do anything twice. Now start her up. There is going to be air in the fuel line, so it's going to take a little bit to start.
I'm gonna prime it.
It's still going to take ages to start. It doesn't really matter. Wow. And keep in mind, this just had different injectors and a different ECU put in, and it starts like that.
That's because it has character and so many miles that it knows what to do. Any leaks?
All right, flash on.
I don't see any leaks.
Oh, I think we're looking all good, man.
I think so too. Oh, that's easy.
Oh, yeah.
I'm really excited to take this for a rip. Let's do it.
Let's go. All right, we're going out on our first little spin. See, this is real Volvo, gang. Like, only the realest thugs do this.
Oh, the power steering is nice and weird.
Oh, yeah, I took it out of a non-power steering car. I'm just kidding.
Yeah, I was gonna say, yeah. Well, it's a non-power steering car pump. The lambda light is gone, so we're already looking good.
Oh, yeah, no, Lambda's in check.
It already feels different.
Does it?
Yeah, I can tell.
Do you notice anything?
No, nothing at all. What? How did a computer do that? That's a huge difference right there.
Yeah,
That's a huge difference.
to the wheel, it's probably like a 20, 30 horsepower difference.
This thing's got 430,000.
Here, we'll get a little clip of the speed out. A little brake boost.
That's like a five, just over 5. That's really 5, almost 6.
That's probably around a 6 second. Maybe 6.5, I'd say.
I didn't time it. I should have.
Well, we got it on video. See, ain't that the truth? Right there. Right there, buddy.
So aside from the oil leak that we've now discovered is burgeoning, as we can see down there, it's pretty bad. It was only parked here for an hour, not even, and it's gotten considerably worse. So other than that, that's how you make your first modification towards absolutely eye-watering power in this 430,000 kilometer Volvo S70. I could. By the way, thanks, Carter. I'd like to thank you for your expertise in helping me out with this endeavor. With the free parts. He has provided everything. The white injectors and the ECU were provided by Carter himself. So I really appreciate that. If you guys want to see any more on this car, just let me know. I mean, I'm kind of doubtful, but if you want to see more, let me know. And who knows? Maybe we can make a couple of videos out of it. But it's a lot of fun. So stay tuned. There'll be more where that came from if you want. Maybe one more video. Otherwise, there's some more interesting things coming as well. So hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, let me know, and I'll see you soon in the next one. Bye.